what all the gurus on the internet talking about affiliate marketing is not going to tell you. Hey, I'm Jamie Williams, and this is the RiddlesBendMedia channel. If you're new to my channel, don't forget to smash that like button, share this video, and subscribe to my channel. Don't forget to leave me a little comment down there. I do appreciate it. All the gurus that you hear, they're telling you, hey, it's 200, you can make 200, 300, 400, and it's quick, it's easy money. It's the best thing to get into. Well, affiliate marketing is a great business. It's the best business model to be in on the internet. And if you don't know what affiliate marketing is, it's basically there's no shipping, no return, and no dealing with customer service. You get affiliate link from wherever you want to promote it from, whether it's Impact, ClickBank, or Walmart, Target, wherever that you think you can get a product and you can promote. They give you a link, you promote it, you get a link, or you get a commission. Well, everybody says that's all you got to do. That's the easy thing. Get a link, promote it, send it to your friends, and get a commission. Well, what the gurus are not telling you is how much time you need to learn these skills, so that way you can actually promote it without getting banned. Especially if you start running ads on Facebook or Google or any of that. You mess around and they'll ban you. You get your account locked up. Just ask some of the people who are doing TikTok Shop, how many of them has been banned. How many's lost their account because they're doing something wrong. Well, this is where all the gurus out there on the internet are not going to tell you. They're not going to tell you. They're just going to tell you, they're going to get on here and show you something real quick. Then they're going to say, that's all you got to do. Well, there's more to this affiliate marketing than just the quick $200. First of all, you need to know what a funnel is. You need to know what email marketing is. You need to be able to run ads if you decide to run ads, whether it's on Facebook, Google, or anywhere else, Bing. But you need to know how to do it the right way. But once again, they're not going to show you that. They're not going to tell you these things. They're not going to give you a mentor and advisor. They're not going to tell you to get a mentor and advisor. They're just going to tell you to go out there and do it. They're going to watch some. You're going to watch some quick videos on YouTube, and they're going to say $200 fast cash. That's all you got to do. Bam. Well, I'm just telling you, from a person who's been doing it for a while, you need the proper instructions. You need someone to show you. I'm not saying you got to spend a bunch of money, but there's nothing wrong with investing in yourself, because this is something that you're going to turn into a business, and you're going to turn it into something long term. That's affiliate marketing. If you're just trying to make some quick cash, by all means, hey, have at it, but if you're trying to turn this into a legit business to where you can quit your 9-to-5 job, to where, you can take those extra vacations a year, or you can do whatever you want. You can spend more time with the family, because you're not working 50 and 60 hours a week. Then this is where you want to be. You want to come across my channel so I can help you. And because you're going to learn from people who've already been doing this for years, who's already making 6 and 7 figures. Let me say that one more time. Who's already making 6 and 7 figures, and who now want to teach you everything they know. So what is it going to do? It's going to speed your time up. You're making money faster. You can listen to the gurus and they can tell you, it's quick. This is how you do it. Or you can take it from someone who's been doing this a while, and you can learn the right way. You can get a mentor, because none of the gurus tell you, get an advisor, get a mentor. Well, I'm telling you, you need one, because they're going to tell you that you're messing up, that you're wasting your time. There's no reason to do that. I've already tried it. It doesn't work. This is what you need to do in order to speed up the making money part. Because if you're ready to quit your 9-to-5 job, stop listening to the fake gurus and let's get serious. This is where the rubber meets the road. This is where you make a commitment and say, hey, okay, I want to do this. I'm tired of my 9-to-5 job, or maybe you just want to make some extra money, then, or you got a hobby that you're trying to push. Doesn't matter. We can help you with whatever you want, doesn't matter. We'll get you started in the right direction. We'll make sure you're doing it right. And that's important. You want to make sure you're doing it correctly. The gurus tell you it's quick. Make that fast money. There is no such thing as fast money, out here. You may get lucky and make maybe a couple $100 on your own, or with an advisor or mentor, you can make thousands. So let's just see which one you think you want to do. You want to take the short route, maybe make a few $100, or you want to learn, not listen to the fake gurus, but listen and do it the right way, because that's where you make your money. Remember, you're in this for the long term, so you need to know how to set up a funnel, how to do email campaigns, because they're not telling you all that stuff, so how are you going to promote your products? They don't tell you that, so we'll get into all that. We'll show you, we'll help you, we'll do everything. And they'll tell you it's only a few minutes a day. Well, the more time you put in it, it's just like anything else, the more money you're going to be able to make. But now, once you get this thing dialed in, then yes, 2 or 3 hours a day, maybe a couple hours, boom, you're done. But until then, till you get it to where it's dialed in, you want to put as much time in it as you can, because it's helping you, quit that 9-to-5 grind. It's helping you achieve financial freedom, time and financial freedom. But you got to be willing to do it. So you want to take the first step? Just click the link in the description. Let's get going. Just remember, good working email, good working phone number, because your advisor is going to reach out to you, and they're going to want to be able to get started right off the bat and get you going and get you learning. Because once you start learning and making money, you'll see what I mean. So let's get going. Don't forget to follow for more.